Yo, my name is Benjamin and this is Truncation in Framer. Let's dive in. In our component, we have some copy that appears on click. And the text contents here are assigned to a variable, so we don't know the amount of lines up front. This is a great use case for truncation, as it would let us control the exact amount of lines shown regardless of the actual contents. So, to truncate, with the text layer selected, I'll head over to the text menu and hit truncate. This adds a new property control that lets you decide the amount of lines to truncate, which works especially well on text layers with height set to fit. Plus, this new property can also be made a variable, which is useful for components like my accordion, where on the instances we can decide the exact lines to show per row. So here we see all the rows with different copy, and then I'll set the variance to open for all of these so we can have a look at the lines. So with truncate, we can work with dynamic content and still control the exact amount of lines shown, which is useful in so many different layouts and components. And of course, we could also pick a unique amount of lines to show for each row here by putting in a variety of truncate values. So we can try something like this. Then I can select all rows and set the variance back to closed. And just like that, we have designed an accordion with dynamic contents where we have full control over the amount of lines shown per row and thus the height to which each row animates. That's multi-line truncation in Framer. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates coming soon.